Assalamualaikum and a very good morning to all of you. I am Dr. Hira and today I am here to teach you how to fill antenatal card. Okay, so here you can see there is an unfilled antenatal card, and first of all I will tell you the main headings of this antenatal card. Here you can see there is a column of introduction, the column of general health, and for the baseline investigations of the patient which has been done in pregnancy. Here for the first visit of the patient in an antenatal clinic, here will be the date mentioned, the weight of the patient, the blood pressure. And in these two columns, we will mention her gestational age, which is calculated by her first day of last normal menstrual period or by early scan. And here we will mention her abdominal examination. That is her symphysiofundal height, that is measured via measuring tape, her lie, her presenting part, and her fetal heart rate, which is audible via fetoscope. Here we will mention her fetal heart rate and when we will advise her to come next to the antenatal clinic. Here we will mention the doctor's name, and in this column we will mention her the prescribed medications for during her pregnancy and any active complaint of the patient. In this column we will write her previous obstetrical history, and in this column we will mention her scan, that is the early scan and the latest scan. So guys, you can see this is the filled antenatal card. So this is the biodata of the patient. Here we will mention the name, the address of the patient, her age, her for how long she is married for, her parity, her last menstrual period, and the expected date of delivery calculated via Nagel's rule. Here is the general condition of the patient, which we can obviously see by looking her general health, heart sounds, her chest, her teeth examination, her height, social status, and we will check for the varicose veins. Here is the blood group mentioned, and if the patient is Rh negative, we will ask for husband's blood group. And here are mentioned all the baseline investigations which are done in pregnancy, that is the complete blood picture, her random blood sugar, urine DR, rubella IgG, IgM, anti-hepatitis C virus antibodies, hepatitis B surface antigen, VDRL for syphilis, and HIV serology. So I have mentioned here the date, her blood pressure, her weight in kgs. In these two columns we will mention her gestational age, as I previously told you, that is calculated by her LMP if she is sure of dates, or by early scan that is available of 9 to 14 weeks. Here we will do the abdominal examination. As I have done, symphysiofundal height is mentioned, which is measured via measuring tape, that is 32 centimeters. Her lie, that is longitudinal, her presenting part, that is cephalic, and her fetal heart rate that I have heard via fetoscope, and it is 148 beats per minute. I have asked my patient to come after 2 weeks as she is having no active complaint, and I have prescribed her tablet iron 1 OD and tablet Calgary 1 OD. That is given from 4th month to 9th month of gestation. I have asked her for previous obstetrical history, that is she is gravida 2 para 1. Previous delivery was via spontaneous vertex delivery. Her last delivery is mentioned, that is 2 years back, and her baby was a live male, delivered at private hospital of 2 kgs in weight, and the baby was breastfeeded and vaccinated, as we have to ask her for all the history if she is delivered via cesarean section or via SVD, and her hospital stay and all the duration of that stay. Her past medical history, her past surgical history is mentioned over here, her family history is mentioned over here, that is significant for diabetes mellitus, hypertension, cardiac, asthma, tuberculosis. Here I have mentioned the scan, that is you will mention here the early scan and the latest scan. This patient had no available scan, so I have written here no early scan done. As I have mentioned in this patient, as she is 8 months gravid, that she will be given tablet iron and calcium from 4th month to 9th month, and for the first 3 months tablet folic acid 1 OD is given. So I hope that now you are able to fill the antenatal card. Thank you very much.